The Enerlites line of dimmers is designed to offer enhanced lighting, fan control, and energy efficiency in residential and commercial settings. With advanced features and cutting-edge technology, Enerlites dimmers provide users with precise and customizable control over lighting levels. Newest to the dimmer line is the dual LED slide dimmer. This single-pole dimmer switch is designed to replace a regular light switch and has two user-friendly vertical sliders to easily adjust the light levels of two different lights from the same location. It works with up to 300 watts of dimmable LED, CFL, incandescent, and halogen lights. For installation, you will need a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, wire nuts, and a voltage tester. First, turn the power off at the breaker. Next, remove the wall plate covering the existing switch and unscrew the switch from the electrical box. Carefully pull the switch out of the box, exposing the wire. Use a voltage tester to ensure that power is off. Then, identify the following wires: the line wire, load wire, and ground wire. Once the wires have been identified, go ahead and disconnect them. Take the new dimmer switch and, using the provided wire nuts, connect the wires as follows. Connect the black wire from the dimmer to the line wire in the electrical box. Connect one of the red wires from the dimmer to the load wire. The second red wire will connect to the second lighting load wire. Connect the green wire from the dimmer to the ground wire in the electrical box. Carefully tuck the connected wires back into the electrical box, ensuring they are not crimped or pinched. Secure the dimmer switch to the electrical box using the provided screws. Ensure that the switch is aligned properly and sits flush against the wall. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Test the dimmer switch by moving the sliders up and down. Once you see that the switch is working correctly, secure the wall plate over the dimmer switch. To learn more about Enerlites lighting control solutions, visit Enerlites.com or talk to a sales representative today.